once you begin your broadcast. The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Jeff, Jim, Ray, guys, good morning. Can I get a sound and visual, please? Can you guys hear me okay? Okay, great. You can see the charts, and there's the 8 o'clock bell. Guys, yesterday was a morning, Francis. Dan, good morning. Going to zero. Well, I think we're coming to 15,500. Thank you, Deepak. We may get a bounce, an oversold bounce here today, at least early. Thank you, Rick. In any event, guys, good morning. If you're here on trial, good morning and welcome back. For many of you, your trials will end tomorrow. Some of you guys, started trial midweek. Your trials will go through next week. But good morning and welcome back. If you guys paid attention yesterday, I told you that we would probably head down to the 100-day moving average, which we have done. I will show you. We hit the 100-day. Got my targets. The next area of support is going to be the bottom of the cloud at about 572. 572. That will be the next area of support. Good morning, Nick. For those of you guys that are in order flow class that is currently going on, I will start teaching you the cloud probably in a week or two. We have had 3 bot trades this morning, all of them in gold. So we had a small winner on a short here to first target. The bot then took a long and reversed into a short. All targets have been hit. All targets have been hit. So 3 bot trades this morning already. I would expect gold to continue to get whack-a-mole. Crude is on a rampage. If you guys recall, yesterday I left you with a target at 79.50. That target has been hit. Take a look at gold. Yeah, straight shorts. Gold is a short. We're going to close today below the cloud. We've pushed below the 50, the 100, and now the 200. And there's no buyers yet. They're not buying the 200. Next area of support for gold, probably about 84. And we could test those lows all the way down at 53. Doesn't look good for gold. Indices right now are trying to find a bid. Russell is back above yesterday's low. ES right on yesterday's low. Yeah, but interest rates are, they're now talking about raising as soon as March. Good morning, Chris. YM is the trade. YM is where it's at. I hate to say it. You guys know how much I love the YM, which is to say I don't. NASDAQ will probably trade to 580 today. I'm looking to sell any up move. Good morning, Albert, down in sunny FLA. Guys, we are, as they would say in the South, we are fixing to get us a storm tonight. And by storm, I mean snow that will cripple this city. They're saying up to 3 inches. If we get 3 inches, this city shuts down. This is not the Northeast. They don't know. They won't know what to do with 3 inches. I should leave now to go buy Milky Ways at the 7-Eleven because that's all that'll be left. Yeah, but you're in Colorado. They expect snow in Colorado. We don't down here. We don't have. They don't have snow removal equipment. They don't have salt. None of that stuff. It's 75 in Florida. It's about time to move. Especially you're on the West Coast, aren't you? Yeah, that's where we've looked. We've been looking at the West Coast. I'm too old to move to the East Coast again. In any event, guys, here's what we've got so far. 148,000 contracts have traded on the NASDAQ overnight. As I say every day, the average is about 68,000. So we are well above average. We only have 700, call it almost 800 net sellers. But the point I'm trying to make is I suspect at the open there will be a flurry of volume, and some or many of us may experience some lag, freezing, as Ninja is prone to do. So just remember that and keep that in mind if you're in a trade. The ES has traded 266,000 contracts with small sellers as well. Volume is also heavy in the ES. Crude 119,000 contracts with a couple thousand buyers. Also heavy volume in crude. And gold, average on gold when we come in is somewhere around 55,000 contracts. We are 102,000. So we have volume everywhere. And I suspect that will create some headaches for myself and others into the open. Today is Thursday. We have the all-important, I say tongue-in-cheek, continuing and initial and continuing jobless claims, which no one gives a rat's patootie about. But we do have ISM at 10 o'clock, and we have natural gas inventories at 10:30. Other than that, I don't see anything of any interest. No one cares about this. No one cares. Yeah, we're going to 17,000. We do have some interesting earnings. Best Buy reported this morning, nothing this afternoon. And then tomorrow, we have non-farm payrolls. That'll be the big news of the week. Oh, yeah. Jimmy B is speaking today. Let's see what time he speaks. He's actually a voting member now. Let's see if I have it. Former President Trump has a news conference scheduled today. That's interesting. I don't see what time he speaks. Oh, here it is, Bullard. 1 o'clock, Bullard speaks. Yeah, gold is going to get sold. Guys, at the moment, we can find scalp shorts for sure. Coming into the open, I will probably change this 30 range to a bigger time frame because of the volume. So I'll probably go to a 5-minute. When the volume is that heavy, it just can't keep up with a range chart. I think we accelerate to the downside. Look, here's what I see. We could pull back from here, 82, 94, 7. We could get a retracement all the way back to 770. He's also having a rally in Arizona. We could go back to 770. I don't think we do. This is telling me we could go all the way back to 850. That would be a Herculean bounce off this 100, but we'll see. We trade what we see, fellas. Looking at the markets currently, NASDAQ's off, I can't tell if that's 81 or 61. Yeah, 79. ES is flat. YM is up 92. Russell's up 5.5 points. Gold is off $36. Crude is up $1.20. Natural gas is off a few ticks, nothing. Looking at equities, Apple is red, Facebook is red, Tesla is red, Amazon's red, Netflix is red. NVIDIA right now has 33 cents to the green, as does Baidu, has 72 cents to the green. Google's down another almost $10 in pre-market. Deepak, are you holding those puts still? Square's red, AMD's red, IBM is down a few ticks, Twitter is red, Microsoft is red, Intel chugging along, buy value. Value, $54. Could have bought that at 51 2 weeks ago. Lucid, which I follow, is down. Peloton red, Shop off $13, Zoom off and still, Roku red. I mean, it's a sea of red, fellas. Snap, Merck, Qualcomm. Yeah, I'm not buying any Chinese stocks. That I can tell you. That is correct, Rick. President Biden has the lowest rating of any president. And Kamala, however she chooses to pronounce it this week, also has the lowest rating. Guys, I'll quickly read the disclaimer and we'll see what we can come up with. For those of you guys that are members and anyone that is contemplating membership this week, if you're on trial, I am going to do education on Saturday. If anyone would like to attend, I'll send out a notice. The link will be in the member area. I'm going to go over the bot. I'm going to talk about the new indicator. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. So here's the bid. We should get close to 720. We should. Bonds are also getting a small bid. I'll wait for them to move up and then reverse and look for a short. I probably could read that disclaimer in my sleep. I've read it every day for years. For years. NASDAQ should go 720. I missed a small long at 96. Yeah, I'm honestly surprised it took that long, Rick. Let's see here. ZB hit first support, next support 153.07. Yeah, what I'd like to see. So I'm watching bonds here. What I'd like to see. I mean, the great short was back here yesterday. 2 days. This is today. Yesterday, up here at 56.25. This is too low in the hole for me. We are below VWAP, but bonds just crawled back to VWAP. I'd like to see bonds maybe pull back up into this area, 156 and change, and then roll over again. We may not get that. Wants to trade Bitcoin. So this is Bitcoin futures on the bot. Morning, Greg. Yeah, I think it's coming to 30. This is Bitcoin futures on the bot. Okay, this is a daily chart. This is a daily chart of Bitcoin using the robot. Okay. Going back to May of 21, you could have sold Bitcoin at 56,025. Got first target at $5,500, second target at $9,200 and change. It took a long here on July 28th, my brother's birthday. $4,000 first target, almost $800 second target. This is a small failed short. It doesn't quite get to first target. It comes to 41.1. Missed first target by about $600. Losing trade. This is a second trade or another trade long on October 4th at $50,600. First and second target keeps going. I'm not sure why the trail dots aren't on. I may not have checked the box when I did this. And then we just got a short here on November 19th. And that's where we're at. First and second targets have been hit. I'll have to check and make sure I put in all three or check all three, three targets and trail dots. I must have missed them. Hey, Scott, good morning. I'll show you guys something. I don't, going back to this first trade, you got $5,565 on target one, $9,275 target two, and you got $12,985 on target three, depending on how you traded it, right? I think the margin requirement, I don't trade it. Anybody know what margin requirement is on MBT? Last I heard was $17,000. I don't know if that's still accurate or not. This winning trade, 4,000 almost. Yeah, I think it's 17 grand per contract. $4,000 here, 6,700, almost 9,600 here. And you can see we got all three targets. So you had one losing trade in here. And it's not that much of a losing trade because you would have shorted 44,720 and then go long, you'd have lost 6 grand on one trade. But all of these, one target makes up for it. So one of the cool things about the bot is, for those of you guys that have, and I'm really talking to the trials. If you have a TD Ameritrade account, you can cross-connect the data into NinjaTrader, right? So let's say I wanted to trade a stock. Let's say I wanted to trade a stock. Let's look at Google. Here's a daily on Google. Yeah, I know my data is loaded. So here's an hourly. I'd be interested if the bot gave us a short over here. I mean, this is a I don't know why it's not calculating, but it does. Let me make sure my data's. You stink. Come on, 4 more points. Let's go. Stop is 02. Unless you guys want to just scalp at this thing. Come on, fail here. I need this to drop back below 89. This looks like it's going to pop up on 40 buyers. And this, folks, is why I hate pre-market. That's why I don't like trading pre-market. It's not going anywhere. That dirty rat bag, I think, went 2 ticks through stop. If this comes back down below 89, I'll sell it again. My stop was 02, went 03.50. This could pop to 14. But the class, in my opinion, is invaluable. Look at this dingbat. Seriously, dingbat. Double bottomed at 82.25. We have a bot short now. I'll bring it over in a second. You stink face for real. Gave a couple $100 twice, just won't go to target. I particularly like the 5-tick spread. Here is the bot. Look at this. Now we came 82. 4 ticks shy, fellas. Come on, seriously? 9 sellers, 8 sellers, 13 sellers. I mean, that's why I hate pre-market. YM is rolling. What? I don't know what that means. Browning up. Oh, blowing. Come on, NASDAQ, just collapse. Do what you're going to do. Guys, if you want to scalp at it and take $200-300, go ahead. Now we came one tick to target. Nope, two. All right, we got target. We got target. If at first you don't succeed, I'm out. I'm out. All right, small trade. 8-9 handles. Let me look at gold. Boy, I missed a nice gold short at 740 at 96. Son of a gun. No, it's not a space issue, Brian. It just gives too many signals. Too many signals. It's just too small a time frame. You'll be chasing them all day. Guys, we're coming down to 48. We're coming down to 48. We just have to come down through the 74. 72 is the 100 period. That's going to give it a little bit of support. If we had some volume, we're going to eventually see big blue. We're going to see 49. Here's the bot. Bitcoin's target is 44,600. Dan. $30-year bond getting a little bit of a bid. You can, as long as you are either trading sub accounts. You would have to trade a sub account because you could have a conflict. Let's say the bot is short and you go long in the same account. You're going to cancel the trade. Yes, Keith. And use generic ATM, what I taught. Correct. You should, one thing you should do is, no, do it on a 30 range. Now, I guess you could do it on a 1 minute, but you should also do an auto trail so you don't have to manually move stop. Nice, man. Up 123 bucks. It looks, yeah, bonds are starting to move up too. Bonds are, I'm looking at the hourly on bonds. ZB. Looks like we're going to bid and try to move above 156 and 4/32 on the small time frame. It really is, Keith. I mean, I think honestly, we have built the best day trading robot. Period. Haven't had any. We still have that Nasdaq trade on, but ES is kind of flat. Yeah, okay, Dad. You got it, brother. Natural gas broke the previous daily. I still like gas long. Where's NQ going? 714. 714 is where it's going, is what it looks like. They're different on different instruments, Dale. They're not all the same. What sets the bot apart is that it's not just the moving averages, right? It's the secondary time frames, the filters, which are essentially additional charts. All right, fellas, it's 9 o'clock. I'm going to take breakfast. Here we go with 1 minute, just under 30 seconds, fellas, 30 seconds. Expect freezing, lagging, typical, ninja stuff, unless you're running one chart. The close of this candle, you got a short on the NASDAQ. Right at the open, it'll short, is what it looks like. Maybe back to the 100. 2, 1, we're off. Off. We're right back into the 100 period. If we're going to bounce, it's coming. If we're going to bounce, it's coming. I don't see a bounce, fellas. Yeah, here it's bouncing. It's bouncing off the 100. Long NASDAQ. Long NASDAQ. Long NASDAQ. Jesus, the thing went 8 handles immediately. NASDAQ should bounce. Stop has to be 68. We have a short on the Russell bot. Actually, I'm holding up pretty good, which is interesting. This is going to go to a loss. There you go. Out. That was quick. Anybody long NASDAQ, guys? You got them. You got them. You shouldn't be out. You shouldn't be out. First target is 48. Always as you see fit, I guess, but first target is 48. Target 1 filled now on the Russell bot short. Out on the Russell. I just missed another long at 23. We may get pull back to 05. We're holding VWAP. I'm actually hanging in there, which is amazing. John, are you in the room? Trial. John, you just sent me an email. Are you in the room? All right, guys, there's your first target. There's first target. It should have been 30, 40 handles for you guys. Now it's just completely free. I'm free. You should have a chat box. For instance, I can see you comment. I see you said yes. If you have a question or a comment, you can post it and I see it. Thank you, Albert. Oh, okay. Just popped up for you. Got it. YM got banged up. Yes. All right. So let me take a spin around here, guys. Damn, YM. YM looks like it wants 119. Unless YM pops back up above 36,322. ES longs. It's going to have to get above 97. It's long. ES is long. It's going above. It's got to get above 97, but it's long. 93, 94. You're long ES. NASDAQ doing what she do. Next target on NASDAQ, guys. 894. 894. I'm sorry, 794. 794. But you can try to trade it to 850. That'll just give you a quick hundo in 10, 20. Anybody take the ES? Are you long ES at 94? If you are long ES at 94, you have a target 1 at 99 to 101. There's 99, 101, that area, 99 to 101. And then a free trade on the ES. You're going to try to trade this pony up to 723. 723. Okay? So 99 to 01 is the zone for a target 1. It's hit that zone. We got to, looks like the whole number exactly. NASDAQ is the trade, fellas. I did my job. You guys, if you took the trades, you're banking. I missed a YM sell. Son of a PI at 297. Golly. Need a second set of eyes, guys. Who wants to move to Chattanooga? This was trade number 2, first target only. Bots are down today, thank you to NASDAQ. We haven't had a losing day in 8 days, 8 sessions. We now have a gold long. Hang on to that NASDAQ, guys, and the ES. You guys are free. $100-day. ES has some resistance right here. It's got a pop above about 02, and then she is off. It's pushing the 21-day moving average from underneath. Hang on to NASDAQ, guys. Do not give it up yet. 844 resistance. Here's 850. Man, I love it when a trade happens like that. Is everybody good? Getting a bounce in Google. ES, guys. Now you got to get above 08. Nice job, Rick. Nice job, Albert. Guys, gold got first target on the bot. First target on the bot. That might have been trade 4. You don't want to live here. I promise. I'd rather move there. Hang on to them, fellas. You guys should be in 100 handles ago. ES, come on, baby. Get through 08. It's a pivot. ES through 08, and you're going to trade 23. If you're long ES, you're trading to 23 from a 94 entry. Thank you, Mimi. 17 to 19 resistance, okay. I'm shooting for 23. I'm not in any of these, guys. So for my trial members, so you guys understand, why am I not in a trade? You're welcome, Steve. My job, especially around the open, is to get you guys money. That's my job, right? I can trade all day, and I do. Okay, so the most volatility is around the open. I got to get you guys into trades, making money, and then I can trade. Okay, There's your ES trying to push through that 08 pivot. NASDAQ to the moon, boss, to the moon. So here is where NASDAQ can retrace true over the next couple of days. We should see today 925. That's where it looks like we're headed, 925 on the hourlies. But 16,075 is the next major area of resistance. You know, there's resistance all the way up through, but back and forth, we should trade today to 925. If you're long, you've got well over 100 handles in profits. Patience with this trade now, guys. We're just now getting a squeeze long. We're going to fudge around here at this 50 area. Let me look at this YM and see if this thing's coming back yet. Not yet. So they're flopping out of value back into. Look, there is still a large position in tech that has to be unwound. Institutions do not sell into down moves. They'll start lightening as this price moves higher. Let retail carry this thing. $848 is the next target on the NASDAQ. Opening, we hit it. We hit 843. My bad. ES trying to crack that 08. Still a 14 handle trade, fellas. Bonds are rolling over. They went exactly to where pretty close to where I wanted them to go. I wanted 04. They went to 02 and rolled over. Missed a small scalp short on NASDAQ at 05. It only went 10 handles. See you tomorrow, Andy. Hit your daily goal. Nice job. DPAC at 945. Check those charts. Give me something to look at. Damn, crude's up $2 today. Nothing I can do with it. Nothing. Apple's now green. Facebook's up $6. Tesla's buying back, still down 9. Amazon's down 9. Netflix down 9. Tesla's now down 9. Nvidia's up 4. Google's up $26. Google should retrace from here to 2809. Okay, there's our 48 target. ES is above 08. Google, Facebook, and Adobe. Adobe is so damn slow. I like Google back to 2809. Let me check Facebook. I like Facebook back to 337 and then possibly 343. $23. I gave it to you guys. 23 on ES. 23. If you guys are in, you should be in at 94, 95 tops. That's where I gave it. So you have a ton locked in. You should have a ton locked in. Now, again, I can't tell you guys how to trade, or that's no worries, Chris, no worries. But 23, we may have to wait out and to the next hourly candle. We could get a pullback to 98. I don't think so, but we still have a ton of momentum. We're starting to get squeezes on the small time frames. NASDAQ, hold. 925. I just missed another long down at 25. All right, fellas. Listen, if you guys are long and I take a short, that does not mean you should be out of your positions. I'm in no trade, right? The trend is obviously up. We are going higher. We have 3,300 net buyers. For instance, there's a small scalp short here at 16, right? If I were to take a short, that does not mean you should get out of your position. I'm going to try a small short. And this may just be a skimp trade. Momentum is to the upside. I don't want to see this above 27. Come on, pull back for me. Pull back, dog. Right here. Come on. Let's catch that swing at 9. Come on, catch that swing at 9. Let's go. Trying to get to 96, guys. On a pullback, that looks like our entry long. This just doesn't want to break. There it goes. Come on, catch 9. It held 9. There we go. Come on, 96. 96. 96. Let's go. Come on, one more candle. Now, if anybody was not long and you wanted this short, it just doesn't want to break. Come on, 96. There we go. Whole number. Did I hit it? I hit 99. Yeah, I'm really only looking for 96. See if I can get 97 on 1. I don't think so. You rat bag. Really. Got it. Got target 1. I'm short, but if you guys are long, you should still be long. You're long from almost 100 handles lower. I wasn't in the long. I guess I took them both off. Oh, well. Always trade as you guys see fit for your accounts. We're pulling back. This could be where we roll over. Support is going to come in at 61 on the NASDAQ. 61, damn it. I wish I had another one on. We came into yesterday's close. Well, my target was 96, and I'm, 40 handles below that, but apparently I put 2 off instead of 1. I wanted 1 with a runner, be that as it may. You have a short on the YM right here, 215, 217. Stop has to be 310. 310, but you have a short on the YM, 215, 217. Let me see the ES, nothing. Yeah, they only sold 1,000 contracts back. Bonds are bidding, yields are falling. Google's sitting on a pivot. That was the pullback right into support at 61 area. Netflix. FLX. Let me look at Netflix. Look for it up around 560 to 66. I mean, I like it short, but look for the small retracement on the 10-minute. D. Yes, it did, Greg. Nice job. All right, guys. Let me see if I can. You can try a NASDAQ long above 85 if it can get there. Let me see. YM still hanging out, but I like it to the short side. NASDAQ is holding yesterday's low and yesterday's close, which are within 15 handles of each other. Gold, I've got nothing except slop. NASDAQ's going to short again, it looks like. Short NASDAQ. 73 was the entry, but it's so fast. Jeez. I can't even push the button. It's that fast, fellas. This is your first target if you're short, 53, 54, right? Yellow. And then next would be VWAP 45. There you go. Now if we break VWAP, oy vey. Damn, I missed a nice trade. ES. You can short ES at 80, 86, 87 with a stop at 93. I don't trade the ES, so I'm not going to be in it. I missed a hell of a NASDAQ. It's so fast, guys. I can't even push I couldn't even hit buy market. It was already 8 handles lower. Anybody short YM? Anybody short the YM? A little easier to trade. Okay, nobody. Okay. Gold. Anybody short the ES 86, 87? Anybody short ES? Guys, you got to let me know what you're doing. All right, Ray, you know what you're doing. Anybody else? All right, guys. First target on the ES is 81. 81. 81. When they all go at once. We got 81 to the tick. You may not have been filled. Some bitch. All right, you got it filled? Okay. We're rolling over, fellas. All right, you're out of ES? I wouldn't be out of anything at this point to the short side. Final target on ES. 46.58. You guys can move your stop to break even if you want and let it rip. 46.58. We've got a bid here at 79. I think he'll jump. It's 500 cars to buy at 79. Don't forget to check at 10, Deepak. 10. Tell me if anything's changed. Anybody short NASDAQ? All right, nobody's short YM. Nobody's short NASDAQ. God, I missed a trade. Yeah, NASDAQ's bananas. Look at it on a bigger time frame. It'll make your life easier. I told you shouldn't be out of the ES, fellas. Anybody guys, tell me where you're all at so I can monitor positions. Like for instance, the YM. That's that's almost up 100 ticks since I gave it to you. No one took it. Okay, one left on the ES. Stop should be, if you're in 86, 87, maybe you put your stop at 82. Lock in 4 or 5 handles and see if she can't just blow. Okay, Chris. Long as you made money, brother. That's all I care about, guys. As long as you guys are making money. ES still pushing. NASDAQ. Still 1,400 net buyers. They got to bounce it. I don't have a trade, but if you're not short, I have no trade. Yes, great short. Factory orders 1/10 higher than expected. All right, get ready for a long. Come on, man. God dang it, my chart's freezing. News, that's all. Short NASDAQ here, 0304. I mean, she's a beast, fellas. This is not fun. I'm trying to get to 74. 74. 74. 74. 74. Let's go. Right back up. Guys, we're at 92. Disregard my chart. Disregard my chart. That's disregard the chart. We're at 90. 93. Come on, it's got to push below 60 and this thing gets slaughtered. Disregard my chart. I'm lagging. 84. No, I'm caught up. My chart is correct. 74, target 1, or as you see fit. Come on, fail. Don't be a chump. Give me 74. Come on. Let's go, Chooch. 10 mas. Come on, 10 more. Come on. Come on. We hit 80. Here it comes. Sell them. Bag. Break 80 and we're done. Break 80 and we're done. Then we're going to trade final target to that 50. Come on, 74. Come on, 74. Be a pal. Break 80. Done. Done. 74. Come on. 30 handles. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Oh my God. Got it. Booyah, baby. 30 handles times dose. Free trade. We're coming down to 48. All right, hit them straight, fellas. Hit them straight. I'm not flinching here. We got us a bomb. We got us a bomb. Who's short, fellas? We had a short on crude bot. Target 1 filled. Nice job, Ray. Nice job, brother. You dropped a bomb on me, baby. YM also hit target. I hope that's true, Rick. Anybody holding NASDAQ? Anybody holding NASDAQ? It's going to zero today. Zero. One guy. Okay, Randy. Two guys. Three guys. There we go. All right. ES is blowing it out. Anybody still holding ES short? Anybody holding the ES short? We break below 620. This gets absolutely cooked. Okay, Brad, good job. All right, fellas, good. Below 620, this gets blasted. Below 620, blasted. This will be the old shake and bake, fellas. Shake and bake. Come on, break 20. Break 20 and wave goodbye. We come to the bottom of the cloud. Below 20, we're trading down to 570. 570. 570. It's got to break 20. It's holding 20. There it goes. It's breaking. Come on, 570. You can have them back. 570. ES, Beauteous Maximus. 46.58 next target. 46.58 ES. 46.58. Netflix, 532 target. NASDAQ, I want 591 for a target. 591. D, looking now. All right. We're getting a bounce here. Come on, fail. All right, I'm good. 1100. Yep, 1106. We got a short now on gold. We're not done selling yet, guys. I'm just telling you. We may get another. I believe this is trade number Finsky. I know that says 3, but I think I'm off by 1. Another bot trade. Russell. Guys, is everybody fat and happy today? Russell, trade number 3. I just gave away a ton of dough. You can still short it. I'm going to sell it again. Come on, don't get chaotic here. Let's go. Come on. Come on, you're holding that bottom at 20. Just blow that bottom. Blow it. Blow it. What is the bottom now? 19. There it goes. You want a dink and dunk trade? You got one, a couple $100. Target 1 on Russell. Target 1 on Russell. Target 2 on Russell. Let's just get this out of the way. See if we can't get us a real trade. Anybody back in on the NASCrack-a-lackey? Anybody in on NASCrack-a-lackey? Okay. Hang on, D. Target 1. Target 1. Anybody back in? Nice job, Brad. Up 3 G's. See you tomorrow. No, it's falling. You're coming to 06. I just brought it up to try to get. Come on, 91. Come on, buddy. 92. Let's go. One more blowout. Come on, one more blowout. Give us the bottom of the cloud, and we may get along down there. Guys, believe it or not, we're falling like a brick on small selling. We still have 1,200 net buyers. All right, I'll take the dink and dunk trade here. Out. Guys, we are beating them like baby seals. Baby seals. Here's where we're coming today. 516. Out on the Russell. Damn it, I missed a long. That's how fast this is. Watch for a small scalp long. I'm going to use an ATM on this, guys. 10 handle first target. 10 handle first target. Come on, push. Give me 10. Give me 10. Give me 10. Give me 10. Oh, you scumbag. Come on, give me 10. 10. Not 7. 10. Come on. Oh, you kidding me? Gotcha. Out. 10 handles. I'll take it. I'll take it. I still think we go higher. Booyah. Booyah, baby. Anybody able to follow that or catch it? Anybody? Damn. We're going back to 02. I chinched out, fellas. Guys, we have 2,000 net buyers. We're long. We're longs. I know what you think. Forget about what you think. Trade what you see. $2,100 net buyers. I told you we were coming down on small selling. Shoot. I wanted to see 58. At the close of this 5-minute bar, which is in 3.5 minutes, you can buy the ES with a target at 87 right now. You can buy ES with a target at 87. Guys, if you're not making money, you ain't pushing a button. If 37 goes, this is going to 73. Come on, you duck. 37. Pop it. Let's go. Pop it. Booyah, baby. Got me once. Anybody long? God, I love this crap. Who's long? They can have him at 70. Okay, Deepak, nice job. Okay, Randy. Guys, we're trading Delta. Okay, Johan. All right, fellas. Do-do-do-do-do. Da-dee-dee-da-da. Okay, you can have two of them. I didn't even have a target. You can have two at 70. All right, you can have two of them. Crushing in the night. What's better than this? Who's having fun? Thank you, Jeff. Who's having fun? Nice job, Kirk. Over 5 Gs for the day. Nice job. Facebook CMG green 10 minutes. Yeah, I'm leery on longs. I mean, listen, we can trade today back to 925. So I'm hoping. The only sucky part of the day. The only sucky part of the day is the bots are down. All right, if anybody take that ES long when I gave it at 80, 81? Anybody take ES? You exceeded, all right, you guys exceeded 87. Now it's free. It's free. Don't let that wench in Massachusetts find you. You'll be paying more in taxes. Yeah, Pelosi doesn't belong in South Florida. She belongs in jail. Do 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 do. Yeah, well, if ES gets back above 97, she's going back to 08. If anybody is long, so just protect your profits. All right, I'm out. I mean, I can't complain. I got targets. Got targets. Said 73. Nice job, Mimi. Guys, NASDAQ's green on the day. I mean, 1 point, but it's green. Your bots are up 870? No, mine are down. Mine are currently down 1,600. Well up for the week, but $818 is your target now, fellas. 818 on NASDAQ. 818 if you're still long. Why is this not updating? It's pissing me off. 818 is target on NASDAQ. There it goes. Oh no. Her servers must be down. Guys, are the servers down? My NASDAQ chart stopped. We're at 98. 818 is where we're going. Come on, NASDAQ. Thank you, Albert. Guys, I like volatility. Every once in a while, we're going to get a little, we're going to get racked. None of my NASDAQ charts are functioning. We're at 802, 803, 10. 18 is target if you're long, or a target. 925, final target today. Fudging Ninja. Another 1,200. There we go. How's that for a scalp, brother, man? That ain't no scalp now. Now I want 37 and I'm done. 37. 37 and I'm done. 36 and I'm done. Come on. Guys, this is a fun freaking trade today. Come on, give me 36. You're welcome, Becky. All right, you can have it. I got my target. Probably still going to get up to 37. Good. You wanted the scalp, you got one. 30 handles. You good? Anybody still holding? Okay. This is a really nice rally, fellas. Frank, I suspect you won't be having any more, though. Nice job, Mimi. Nice job. And we got the 38. Let me do a little house cleaning here again. Yeah, yesterday, I'll be honest with you guys. Days like yesterday, you look at the end result and you see the market down, a gazillion points, and you think, oh man, I should have made 40,000 today. Listen, do I want to buy your HVAC business? I don't know anything about it, brother. The problem is on days like yesterday, I have no trades there to catch up. The volatility is so freaking high. I mean, it is so hard to trade because you could take a short, let's say here at 99, and the volatility was so damn high that it could go to 840, and then you go, oh crap, I'm wrong, and then they blow it down 100 points. Days like yesterday, you got to trade small because it's so volatile. And I got caught in it. I got caught in the afternoon twice. Right on the news. I didn't put the trades on here, but I put them on in my other account, and I got caught twice. Once on a long, once on a short. Now, I finally evened it out, but it's like, you got to be kidding me. I go long 3 contracts, and it pulls back, 40 points almost instantly. Then I go short, and it pulls back 40 points instantly, and I'm like, what? And I finally said, the hell with it. I put it on, and I left it short. Those days are not fun to trade. We are headed here. Big red. 906, 907. I'm hoping to get a pullback to find another dang entry. All right, guys, it's 11 o'clock, so I'm going to do bot trades. NASDAQ took one short and was a killer as it took a full stop. Let's do the easy ones first. Crude took a short, got first target, and then some, not quite second target, and is currently in a long. We'll see how that plays out. This obviously will not be completed before I close the room. That's 2. Gold has taken 5 trades, currently still in a trade. Trade number 1, small winner to first target. Trade number 2, loser. Trade number 3, all targets and then some. Trade number 4, first target. And the short that we are currently sitting in that hasn't completed. So gold right now is currently 3 wins out of 4 trades. ES had no trades today. It's the only bot that did not trade. Short NASDAQ right now. Short NASDAQ is what I have. 26. I'll try a small short. One last trade. I got a boatload to give them. And Russell, there you go. Another $400 if you want it. You rat bag. I'm watching it. It was up 400. See, this is what I'm saying with volatility. This thing can go up and down in an instant. Trade number 1 was a winner. Trade number 2, winner. Trade number 3, winner. Trade number 4, winner. And trade number 5, winner. All winners on the Russell today. 5 for 5 on the Russell. The bots. Here comes the freezing rain. We're going to get blasted. The bots are down 1340 with 2 trades still on and have to go to completion. Okay? All right, guys. I'll take them off at 20. 21 if I can get it. Anybody have any questions? We're getting freezing rain in hell here. Anybody have any questions? It's trying to come down. Come on, stinker. Give me 21 and I'll be thrilled. 21. 21. Come on, don't be a chump. Boom. Just like that. Anybody take the short? Anybody take the short? It was a dinker, but, you know, we'll take 9 handles. Half a grand. Anybody take the short? Albert, you can call me. You can call me anytime. Okay. Bump, 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 bump. Anybody have any questions, guys, before we wrap it up? That's fine, Zach. Trials, any questions? Guys, many of you on trial, your trials will end tomorrow. You're welcome, Kelly. Your trials will end tomorrow. If you guys have questions, email me or call me. Some of you joined midweek, so your trials will end, next week. All right, guys. Have a blessed day.